Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials, your delivery partner ID and a government ID photo, and make sure the new SIM receives SMS. Open the Zomato delivery partner app and sign in with your existing number. Once signed in, tap Profile, then Account Settings. This is where identity-linked fields live. Make sure your app is updated and you have steady internet. Now select Change Mobile Number to initiate the verification flow, because Zomato requires OTP linkage to your verified account. After selecting Change Mobile Number, type the new number carefully and request the OTP. The app sends a one-time password to the new SIM. You may be prompted to upload a fresh selfie and the same government ID to confirm identity, because they cross-check during a number change. Submit documents and the OTP promptly. Once done, the app shows a pending verification banner. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss any follow-up or additional document requests. Finally, when the verification completes, you'll see a confirmation and must log out then log back in using the new number and OTP to refresh sessions. If the OTP does not arrive, reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, or request the code again. Sometimes carrier delays cause failure. If the change remains pending beyond 48 hours, open the in-app help, attach your ticket ID and documents, and request manual escalation so support can finalize the update quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.